Hi, this is Matt with QuickRegisterSEO.com, and today I'm going to talk about landing pages and squeeze pages and opt-in pages because they're a great way to market your business. And I'm specifically going to talk about one of the highest quality and most economical ways for you to set up beautiful landing pages relatively simply. But first, I'd like to ask you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just click subscribe here, click the little bell, check send me all notifications, save, then every time we come out with a new YouTube video, you'll be the first to know. I've been looking for my members, my customers at classifiedsubmissions.com and my traffic generation service. I've been looking for a simple way for people to set up landing pages that doesn't break the bank, because I have noticed that some of these companies, whether it's Lead Pages or InstaPage, but they'll charge anywhere from $37 a month, which is the cheapest I've found, up to over $100 a month to host landing pages like this. Sure, they have different features and so forth, but it basically is this, to host landing pages. And there's got to be a better way. Now, I use a system which is called Thrive Architect. It's made by the people at Thrive Themes, and everything they do is absolutely outstanding and first class. And rather than paying $100 a month, or even for the most basic package, $37 a month at Lead Pages, you might want to look at getting your own domain name, putting a WordPress installation on there. It's not that hard, and there's thousands of people who can help you with this. Actually, I will even do it. Because if you get the hosting through my affiliate link, I'll even set up the WordPress installation for you. So that's, forget that technical issue. But if you get a WordPress installation and you get the Thrive Architect is what it's called now. Thrive Architect. You can create beautiful landing pages for your business. Now, this is just a sample landing page. I like simple. I like straightforward. But I'm going to show you that once you have the Thrive Architect set up on your site, how to make a landing page. And by the way, Thrive Architect does a lot more than just make landing pages. It makes beautiful websites. It's the best website creation tool based on WordPress that I've ever seen, bar none. But right now, I'm specifically talking about a way for you to set up landing pages for your business so you don't have to pay $100 or more a month for a service, which is just hosting these pages. It's crazy. So basically, this is how you set up a landing page with Thrive Architect. Now here's on my coolmarketingsoftware.com, I'm using this theme, and that's how I built the website. So you can take a look at that website and see what type of websites you could build. They're really great looking, and I'm not that good of a web designer. So you go to your WordPress installation, and what you do is you go add new page. You go to pages and you go add new. And I'm going to put test landing page. And then I publish. This is how simple it is once you get the plugin installed, the Thrive Content Builder, which is now called Thrive Architect, and a WordPress installation based on your own domain. This is how simple it is. Then you just click on Edit with Thrive Content Builder. It will say Thrive Architect because they just changed over the name, so it's the same thing but better. Come here, put Choose Landing Page. Now, if you want one for getting opt-in leads, you can come here and you've got all these beautiful templates to choose from. I'm just going to choose this real simple one right here. Just to keep it simple. I like simple. So here we go. Now, all you do is modify it. It's drag and drop. If I want to change logos, click here. I could add my own picture. change image. If I don't want the logo at all, I can change my image here. And you could do all sorts of things to create a beautiful landing page, or you could just keep it simple. You want to create, put bullet points, come over here where it says stylized lists. You got your lists right here. I could put my bullet points here. I could tell people why they should join my newsletter. I can change the image. I could even choose a template which allowed me to put a YouTube video here. And then all I do is click Save Changes. And then I have a landing page. It's that simple. Now, there's ways also to modify. There's also ways to modify the form fields if you just want email only. And this works with pretty much any autoresponder service. It just automatically works with the service. I'll show you very briefly. I use GetResponse. I definitely recommend them. And you just click Create a New Connection. API. I set this up before. You don't have to worry about that right now. No big deal. It's fair. That's 2 seconds. You pick which newsletter you want to add to. I want to start on the first message, the immediate message. I could pick all my other different newsletters if I had them in here, but right now that's this. Okay. So here are all the newsletters. Reload. Just pick this one. I want it to be on the first day. This is just a sample. And save. There you go. If I just want email only, I just say no. Actually, I say and that's it. Now I have email only, which, by the way, I recommend. And just a point on landing pages, the more information you ask people for, the less opt-ins you will get. If you ask them for their phone number right off, you're not going to get as many opt-ins. It's best just to keep it email only. And that way you'll get more opt-ins. So I click Save Changes here. Back to my pages. Look at my pages. Test landing page. Let's look at the page. Here's my test landing page right here. Okay, now I can also choose, this is other things I've added on here. I can choose not to have this. I don't really need it, but it gives you a basic idea. Here's the landing page right here, and I can use this URL and I can promote this landing page. And you could do unlimited landing pages. Also, with Thrive Architect, you can do pretty much unlimited views. You can get hosting for $3 a month. And I'll put a link in where you can get hosting for $3 a month. You can get a domain name for $10 a year and basically get unlimited landing pages. Or you could pay $100 a month for a place like Lead Pages or InstaPage for basically the same thing. They're not any better. These are mobile optimized and everything, and they work with any autoresponder company. So if you're looking for a way to create beautiful landing pages that will not break the bank, we're not paying ridiculous fees every month, consider Thrive Architect. Your own web hosting account and your own domain name. Your own web hosting account can cost as little as $3 a month. Your domain name can cost you $10. How much does Thrive Architect cost? It costs $67 right now for a single license. If you want to put on 5 sites, it costs $97. That's what. Here are the prices. So you compare this to something like InstaPage. You could have on 15 websites if you have that many websites. I am using this license. It's great because not only does it do the landing pages, it also makes incredible websites, all like this, that you could just, this is all made with Thrive Architect. This beautiful professional website, which I couldn't make in a million years, this beautiful web design, just point and click like we did the landing page. you can also do that. So it's incredible value. But for landing pages alone, it blows away the other options. You just have to get over the technical problems of setting up your own domain name on web hosting. And guess what? If you sign up for the web hosting on my link, I'll do it for you for free. Okay. The web hosting company pays me a little bit, so I'll just use that as a fee to set you up. So you don't have to worry about the technical stuff. But once you're beyond that technical stuff, it's just point and click. You get your own domain name, you get your WordPress set up, and trust me, even if you don't know how to do that now, I'll help you. And there's a zillion people who could do that for you very quickly and very inexpensively. So that's not a big deal. And then you have landing pages on your own domain name, as many as you want. I mean, it's much more professional on top of that. So if you're considering going with Lead, let's take a look at pricing for Lead Pages. Okay, if you go annual, $25 a month. It's not $25 a month. It's like $300 a year. So you're out $300. We're out, a yearly price is $67. And then, for hosting, you say it's $4 a month, just to round it off. That's another $50. So, and then $10 for a domain name. So you're like $160. And by the way, the $67 fee is just a one-time fee. It's not every year. So, and by the way, you can't do A and B testing with this. And there's a way to do A and B testing with Thrive Content Builder. And, if you want more, you got to go up to $48 a month. This is $600 a year. It just keeps going. So, and the landing pages are great with Thrive Architect. They changed the name, so that's why I bought Thrive Content Builder, but now it's called Thrive Architect, just to confuse you anymore. Some more. So if you're considering paying these monthly fees, definitely check out Thrive Architect with a single license, $67, some basic web hosting, and your own domain name. And you've got the same thing and even better. So I'd like to encourage you to set up your landing pages, because it really is a great way to market. If you're not following up with your customers, they're just not going to buy. A lot of times people give me URLs to promote that are these big company websites, and it just doesn't work. You need to first capture people's email address and follow up with them over and over again to get them familiar with your product or service. And also remember, just do email only. Email only. You want to you have a few seconds to get their attention. So get their attention and just ask for the minimum amount of information and then follow up with them after that. So I hope this gives you an idea on how to get a really high quality landing pages for a bargain price. Thank you so much. This is Matt with QuickRegisterSEO.com. If you found this video helpful, you're welcome to embed it on your blog, like and share it. Thank you so much.